Used to run down this road with my heart on fire. Now I'm sitting right here by the side, like a bird on the wire. See my dream passing by, and I realize the day that I quit is the day I expire. I gotta keep moving on, gotta keep moving on. I'm shaking the dust from my bones. All I gotta do is walk. I'm fighting and I'm bleeding. I don't give up, I walk. My hope, my love, my reason, they guide me as I walk. Like Hannibal over the mountains, I gotta keep moving, I won't stop. Keep on walking, won't stop. Here I'm coming.
Ain't no knocking me over, I keep bouncing back. Now I'm done with the noise in my head, yeah, I follow my track. A battle for gold, and a dream in my soul. In times when I fail, I shake off the pain and I gotta keep moving on, gotta keep moving on. I'm shaking the dirt from my bones, and all I gotta do is walk. I'm fighting and I'm bleeding, I don't give up, I walk. My hope, my love, my reason, they guide me as I walk. Like Hannibal over the mountains, I gotta keep moving, I won't stop. Keep on walking, won't stop. Here I'm coming. I gotta keep moving, I won't stop. Keep on walking, won't stop. Here I'm coming.
Sitting and waiting for better days, or facing the battle and fight for a change. I've made my decision, it's clear in the haze. In times when I fail, I'm taking the pain, I'm on my way.